Hi everyone. In this video, we will see how to add an external node packages that we can use in our devweb protocol scripts. So generally, you won't require any external JavaScripts, but sometimes, like if you want to do some encoding, some decoding, or if you want to use some functionality which is not available with your load runner, still we can make use of the external JavaScript files, external node packages. So like it's not any JavaScript, like if you have a JavaScript that we can create a extra files and we can add it. But if you want to complete source code or sub folders, like you can download it by using npm commands, and you can use it in your actual existing and make you in your you make use of in existing devweb protocol scripts. So for this thing, what we need is like we need a node installed in your machine or any other machine where you can download the node packages. So let's take a command prompt and check for npm-version. So if you didn't get npm is not recognized or npm is not installed, node is not installed or something, then you need to go to the node.js thing, node.js website, nodejs.org website, and you can download the respective package, whether 32-bit, 64-bit, Mac or Windows or Linux or any other OS what it applicable for your operating system and your current machine where you're building your scripts. So once you have installed that, you can open a new command prompt and you can try the version npm version. If you have the npm-version, then you are ready to get the required node packages. So let's take example. Now I want to use an base64 component. So right click on the script, click on open script folder. Now you're in the script folder. Now open the command prompt. Okay, after open the command prompt, so search for your base64 node, base64 node npm. Okay, search for node or npm. So click on the link. It will give you the command. So npm install base64. Okay, go to that, right click on that, npm install base64, and wait for some time. It will download the added one package in 2 seconds. Okay, if you go to the script folder now, before that you don't have a node underscore modules folder here. Okay, now if you open that, the base64 package is downloaded into your script folder. Okay, now if you want to use the base64, then you need to use require here. You need to use base64. Okay, after that create that into one of the variable base64. Okay, base64 equal to, once you have that, use base64 dot base64 dot, here you go to the documentation. Here it will show you the how to base-64. Next, how to encode. You have an option base64.encode. Just copy that and pass it here. The input will be hello. Okay, give the semicolon here. Copy that into one of the variable. Constant encoded value equal to. Now enter log encoded value. See, now we just installed the Node.js. So once the Node.js is installed and you have added the Node.js installation path to your path environmental variables, then path variable added to the path variable in environment variables, then you can use the npm command, npm install the required package name. So I want the base 64. So I have used the base -64, which is we have in the node npm repository. If you're trying some other name which is not in npm repository, it will not install. So let me give you another example. Like I'm just entering the base. If there is no package with the name called base, it won't download. It will throw you error. So no package found or something, it will throw you error. One package is looking for funding. Found 0 vulnerability, added 37 packages and audit 7 seconds. So let's give another package which is not there. I'm giving 1, 2, 3. So it will search through the package and it will give you the module. So we have the package name with 1, 2, 3 also. So it installed all the required packages here. Okay, so just if you give, let's give the task incomplete. So we don't have a package with the task incomplete, so it will throw the error. So unfortunately, yeah, we don't have a package name with task incomplete. So we have the package name with 1, 2, 3 also. We have a package name with the base also. So that is the reason why we have all the packages installed here. So initially we have only base 64, but it was installed everything now. So if it is usable to you, you can keep it. Otherwise, you can directly delete it. You can directly delete the packages which you don't require. Okay, now you can run it. Now you run it. So I got the base 64 package using the require command, require statement into my script, and I've executed it. So if you see this, so this is the encoded value of hello. Now we'll use the same decode of encoded value. Decode encoded value, and it should print the decoded value. Bracket open and close bracket. Here I'm not printing anywhere hello or something. Now you should see both the values, the encoded value and decoded value. If you see, this is encoded value and this is decoded value. So I hope this will help you, friends, in adding external node modules or Node.js packages, and you can how to make use of them in your script. Thanks for listening, this, friends. Please watch and share the video. Please subscribe.